Suddenly I'm
almost
jobless and COVID is to blame. Can't meet my dearest students and it is such a shame. The whole world's turned upside down by the stupid little virus. I wish I could say I'm okay, but that's not the case for us. But thanks to all the doctors and frontline workers too, now we don't need to worry, our nation be back soon. And I hope that you'll be with me to send a big thank you. And now I'm gonna head inside and back to my dearest too. And now I know for sure where this is going still. I hope for more and more. The IELTS Workshop, we are back in the English scene. Together we'll defeat stupid COVID-19.
We would like to express our gratitude towards the Vietnamese government for leading us in the right direction.
And thanks to this, many businesses are finally back, and so is the IELTS Workshop.
Thank you all the doctors, the nurses,
and the soldiers
for your service. And guess what? 2 is back.
And we can't wait to see you guys again.
See you guys at the IELTS Workshop.